G'day guys, I can't be with you today, so I thought I'd just record this quick video to let you know exactly what I wanted you to do. I've already sent you the week 2 challenge, and here I'm looking at the main wiki site. So what I want you to do is to come up with ways to automate the ways that you produce food and collect resources. I've left that deliberately open. But an obvious thing to do is to find automated ways that you can produce food on a farm. I also want you to try and work out how you use less energy and also using less resources, because that's the essence of sustainability. The third part is that you need to get ready for the challenge in week 3. You don't really know, so you have to collect various resources. You don't know what it is yet. Again, your aim is to work sustainably as much as you can, and there might be something else that you don't quite expect. The important thing for me, as you already know, is not that you play the game per se, although I'm very pleased with your level of engagement, but it's more about what you document. And I just want to quickly go through the things that I've seen so far by looking at the various sites. This one here, I really like what they've said and the amount that they've said. What I'm really concerned with is what principles of sustainability and why have you done some of these things. That's what is needed in this comment. The next comment here is a good start. Again, it needs more fleshing out. Now, I'm using this example here to let you see what you could do by looking at screenshots. And this here, it is a walkthrough that has been completed using a thing called Bandicam. Now this was done at home, so it can't be really put on your computer. So if you get access to another computer at home, it's quite easy to put on. You don't have the restrictions.
And here is our farmhouse.
Where you can go through.
This is what it looks like inside. Where we can put our resources for our farming things. Here are our chickens that we have, and our wheat farm.
That you could learn how to use. Now, if you want to learn how to do these things, an obvious thing is to get online. YouTube has plenty of these instructions. I'm just going to quickly show you the few things I did. Automated farm in Minecraft, that was a very simple search, and straight away I've got all these things that have come up. So you can use those to get ideas, but also know how to do some of these things once you get an idea about if you wanted to come up with an automated way to farm in Minecraft. Similarly, here all I did was put in sustainable Minecraft, and other people have done this. We're not the first to do this, so you can get ideas from that. Okay. Another way to get ideas, obviously, is to look at the other groups, what they've done, and that's what I've showed you there before, some examples. And also I want you to do some research, and this particular one, I'm not saying that you have to take this on board, but there's plenty of stuff out there, as well as what you've already learned in your classes so far. So there's different ways of being sustainable. There's an infinite amount of ways, so some of these can be built in. Now I know some of you are not that proficient at playing Minecraft. I know exactly how you feel. I would use my strengths and perhaps look at more, looking at ways that we could implement sustainability there. So what elements of sustainability can be applied and what elements are not realistic. So they're the ones that are in the real world, so you could research plenty about that. You need to document that, and while I'm talking about that, you look at this here, the pages I've set up, they're there and they're being used, but there is a way of producing your own. All you simply do is to go up there, add a page, and you call it whatever you like. It could be about decisions reached or other principles of sustainability. Remember, there's a person who does the news. Quickly click on that, and the person responsible for that will then document what's going on. Remember, that's essentially what you're going to be marked on in the end, and I'm close to doing my reports, so make sure that you start writing plenty in your wiki. And this sort of thing is probably easier done at home rather than in class. Okay, that's all I've got to say. I hope that you get plenty done, learn plenty, and I will see you on Monday morning. Thanks for listening, guys.